Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have mutton, aka curry goat. Alright, aka ram goat.
Ram goat today, we ain't get the other one. Ram goat,
with white rice. This is how we love to eat curry goat, with white rice. I mean, we don't mind the rice and peas, but we love it with the white rice.
Before we get too far in this video, subscribe.
Please.
Subscribe right now, okay? Yes, subscribe now. Don't wait till later. Now, okay? Thank you very much. Appreciate y'all, you know? What we got go?
Wait a minute.
What we got going on today?
You have to put on my YouTube earrings.
Today we asked a question. Who want us to do a switch up? First lady said she's gonna eat like me, and I'm gonna eat like first lady. Let's see how this works, okay? So I'm starting from right now. So I'm gonna let y'all know. So it's early in the video.
Okay. So I'm gonna eat like you, and you're gonna eat like me.
Yes, I'm gonna eat like you. So now, and then I got just my water and the ice on the rocks, you know what I'm saying?
Yep, and I have water as well. And you know, I had to put in my YouTube earrings. You know, these make a special appearance. And then I'm like Richie, my youth.
Oh wait, look at that though. Look at that though.
Look, family. Look, eat it. Oh, well, look, yeah, man, take one. Thank you.
You see our side?
Right.
What?
Look like you have more goat than me, you know. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You have more goat than me. Okay?
Woo, this is good. It's a mash up, man. This not work, family. This not work. You get a spoon. Right.
That makes you want to dance. Wow. Woo. That makes you want to dance. Wow. That boy.
That's that way. What? Ginger? We don't want that. We don't have ginger.
I said eat like me. I didn't say act like me. Okay? Eat like me. That's you see? She didn't understand the assignment. I said eat like me. Eat like me, not act like me. Okay?
I have to still say these things because that's what you be saying. Man, I'm like you, man. My food almost done.
Yo, curry with this, we doing.
Another ginger.
Wait.
We don't want that.
You're not getting none. I'm not giving you none. Yo. Don't you have your own food already? Leave my food alone. Okay.
I'm not with you. It's fun eating like you. Food bad, man. So you yummy now?
That's not you acting like you're not eating like me.
I'm eating like you. You gotta be like.
I do like to put it. Yo, what? No, real talk. This is good as hell.
I'm eating like Richie, guys.
Wow.
You guys don't eat like this.
The family members know.
So, what you guys been up to?
Wow. This is delicious. I'm gonna lie. This is delicious.
10 minutes and that's as far as you got? Wow.
Don't watch me watch TV.
Hey.
Don't watch me. Okay?
Wow.
Don't watch me. Wow. You're doing good.
Man, I'm like you, man.
You gotta eat more like me more often.
Man. You full already?
Yes. Let me eat a little bit more. Let me eat a little bit more. And I was hungry, you know? I was hungry today for real. Alright. Let me see if I can make some more.
For those of you who are just joining in, don't be coming here talking no crap, okay? We're eating like each other. Mind your business.
Exactly. If you don't know, go start watching from the beginning, okay?
Right.
Because I know y'all will come in and say, oh, why you eat like that? No. It's a challenge. Me and First Lady.
Let us know who won.
Everybody know. If y'all watch, y'all know what we're talking about.
If you're confused, that means you don't watch.
Yep.
Simple.
Yes.
Sorry what you said.
Simple.
The goat that made my nose run, man.
Just need my ginger.
No problem there.
First Lady is the neatest, slowest mukbanger eater ever. So I gotta do it. Oh, that's only 7 minutes? No way. This is how you open your mouth. Look. Look. You know what? Family! You know.
Honey, eating like you is a lot of work. You know, how you do this every day? This is stressful. No, son, we're done.
We done. We done now. We done, family. Now we're gonna eat, okay? You did good, though. No, for real, you did real good. You brushed that down. Family, how she did?
Woo!
We stop now, because I want my First Lady to choke. Family.
Yo, a couple of times, the minute they choking up.
She did good, though. Wow.
Yo, no, for real.
No, but no, real talk.
I can't
this
do no more.
goat is nice as hell. You think it's a joke?
Yo, man, like the way you talk nasty, you know?
Family, this is nice as hell. She always made good goat, but this is like...
I can't do that right now.
This is like the second thing. This is like when we first went to the store in Fort Lauderdale. It was like this. This is seasoned to perfection. This is nice. I'm not even going to cap.
Thank you.
Oh my God, I don't even want to do it. I was happy eating slow too, you know? Family, I said, damn, I gotta take my time. This is good. I gotta start eating like you more.
Oh God, I cannot eat like you. I almost choked about 4 or 5 times.
This is good as hell. Look at the curry, how rich that is. Look at that.
You really like it?
This is nice. Yo. I'm gonna turn up, man.
I have to give it to you, Tom. I don't know how you're able to eat like that. How? So guys, I give it up to my husband. I don't know how he does it. To him, he's eating slow, but to us, he's eating fast. The rice is so... The rice is so buttery.
It's so buttery. And everything just soaked in there. I'm telling you.
It's good.
This is delicious. Oh my God. Why? Y'all never believe me. Anyway. So So I know why I tell you that. Y'all never believe it anyway. But don't worry. Who wanna try some of this? Comment down. Let me see. Who wanna try? Cause remember I tell y'all. Wow. Wow. That crab moving slow today. Right?
Because you're eating slow, that's why.
Wow. Only 11 minutes?
11 minutes of perfection.
Wow.
This one is good. Yeah, this mutton is good.
Your sister try some of this? Carla, make sure come try some of this. I'm Tom. I'm telling you, Tom. Listen.
Mario, yeah, try like some of them make good
No,
ones.
you always make good. This is, and see, that's the problem. I can't even know bring your chat too much sometimes. That's the problem with you. Every time I said you always make good ones, but this is bossing.
Oh, thank you.
Damn.
I did put extra love in it.
Even when you don't like it, I love it.
You know, you're very what's the word? You're very judgmental about your own cooking. But
wow,
it is good. No cap.
There you go, the key word. Whew.
They say.
I do not want to finish this food.
They say that you really should try not to drink while eating. Right? And there's plenty of times that I've eaten my food and been like, I didn't even drink anything. But they say if you do drink something, take little sips. Right? I'm gonna try it. And then they say to drink something 30 minutes later.
When the food nice, you have a drink.
Because you're diluting the acid in your stomach that will help you to digest the food. You understand? He's back.
You give me extra rice too. I told y'all I can't be eating so much food because I'm trying to be in shape. And y'all making me eat all this food.
I just ate a piece of ginger, but it's good.
I ate beef too. I thought it was a piece of chicken. I mean chicken.
Curry.
Goat.
Ginger is very good for you. So it doesn't bother me. Now the ginger bothers Richie, that's why I threw it out.
Wow.
I feel like whenever you cook something, the best way is to wait and let it rest. I know sometimes you be hungry, and as soon as you're done cooking, you're already sharing your food out. But try to let it like sit in the juices. So there's oxtail, stew peas, curry goat, curry chicken. Cause I finished cooking this at 11 o'clock. It's been sitting on the stove since then. And it's in the evening time when Richie came from work. So it got a chance to like rest and absorb the sauce. You understand? Like when Richie and I go to a Jamaican restaurant and we always order curry goat, if we see that they just brought the curry goat out, sometimes we're like, oh God, we don't want it. We want it to be sitting there for at least 30 minutes, you know? And then we're like, we want it. Now, some of you guys may be watching this and being like, oh, why is she taking her food? My husband knows I'm full, so he's gonna eat it.
Only the people that's new gonna do it. The day one Jamaican gonna do it. They know what time it is.
People are not gonna eat it. So from the time I went, that was his cue. If he wants it, he'll eat it.
But they would know if they go back and watch the video. Them, the new people. Them. I just like when new people come in and they talk and they don't know what they're talking about. Yeah. Don't have it in a long time, family.
Don't bet because we don't want to hear it. Family members don't want to hear it.
You know what I'm saying? Get to know us first. Okay? Get to know what we do first before we just start talking. Simple as that. Appreciate y'all. That was delicious. Yes. Respect to you too. Yes. Because I know you was a respect. Yes.
I did it. I ate without drinking any juice.
Look, and she
Or
ate
water.
up that food.
And I did a couple of sips. If you watch me, I just sipped it a little bit. So I'll drink this like in 30 minutes.
But now I sip one crap. Drink, me drink. Let me drink. All right, family. Let me give you this beautiful word. Again, delicious as always. What we got for y'all good people today? We appreciate y'all. Subscribe. Y'all reach us for subscribe, and share and share and share. You know what I'm saying? Don't keep us to yourself. You know what I'm saying? But with being said, here we got now. Ready, first lady? Ready, family? Ready, viewers? Here we go now. Don't waste words on people who deserve silence.
Ooh, that's a good but simple one.
Good but simple. Again, y'all just put it in your own terms. You know what I'm saying? I just say that there, you just put it the way y'all put it. But if you can relate, you know what I'm saying? And participate. I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. If you are new, there you are.
I like when you don't wear it, you just don't wear no clothes.
I don't put no clothes.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. Shit, you had nothing to say?
April 14th. Don't be late.
Good, I'm
participate, okay?
What?
All right. Damn, Tom. That fucking goat was nice as fuck. Them goat in the store that we buy can't compare to that goat.
Really?
I don't know. What the fuck you put in that goat today?